How to customize roles in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to customize roles in Monday.com. So first, you can go to your Monday.com dashboard, and as you can see, this is my dashboard. And you can go to your profile here, you can click it in the top right corner, and then head over administration here, you can click it, and on the left side, as you can see, there are a lot of options, and you can go to permission here. And in the permission, as you can see, there are four default account roles. So there are admin, member, viewer, and guest. As you can see, admin can have all of access, all of permission, Admin can invite user from non-authorized domains, can invite guests, upload files in boards and docs, delete files, create workspace, and others. And if you are a member, you can also invite user from a non-authorized domains if your admin allow it. Let's say you are a member and I can, uncheck it, and you cannot invite user from non-authorized domain. And if you are a viewer, you can also you can not you cannot do anything basically because you are a viewer, and also if you are a guest you can do anything. And this roles is useful when you invite a member. So let's say you can go to your profile and you will invite member. You can click invite members, and when you invite them, you can choose the role. So you can understand the roles. So maybe you want add your friend or your coworkers as an admin, you can choose admin. Or if you want them to be just a member, you can choose member, and then you can click invite. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.